Hi all, Neci Love Harmon here of What She Created Enterprises. And today we will be adding thread to an empty bobbin of the Brother FB1757T sewing machine. So let's get started. Okay, my friends, in order to thread, you're gonna need an empty bobbin here as well as your spool thread. So I'm gonna place the spool thread on the spool holder like such, and we'll be utilizing the thread guides as well as the bobbin winder spindle. So I'm going to place my bobbin here temporarily, push it down. I'm going to take my thread and I'm going to put it through the thread guide here by just coming around and going like that. Okay, so I put it through the thread guide there. So it's in there, and then I'm going to take it and wrap it around the circle like that. Okay, so it's wrapped around the circle of that thread guide. And if you want to look here, it shows you in the display or in the picture that you go through here and go around. All right, you may need some scissors for this next step because you want your thread to be nice and crisp and cut. So I am going to take my scissors and cut the thread so that it's sharp. And now I'm going to take the thread. I'm a lefty, so I'm going to put it in my left hand. Find the open hole of the top of the bobbin, which is here. I'm going to put the thread through the underside of the top hole and thread it through that. So I'm going to take it and put it through like that so that it looks like that. Okay, that's what we want. We want it to look exactly like this. We're going to take it and place it on the bobbin winder spindle, push it down, and you want to hold the thread really tight. Click it with your right hand, so click it over like that. So click it over like that and hold it very tight. Now we're going to utilize the foot pedal, so make sure it's on the floor. I'm going to turn the machine on and push the foot pedal for 3 seconds so that it can start to wind. Okay, then I'm going to take the scissors and I'm going to cut it as close as possible to the plastic of the bobbin winder, of the bobbin, and then push the foot pedal and allow it to wind. And it has now stopped because I'm pushing the foot pedal and nothing's happening. So I know it's done. So I'm going to take my scissors and detach. Okay. And I'm going to click it back to the left. And I can take the bobbin off. Take the spool thread off because in order to thread the machine, I have to do a little something different. But I'm going to check the bobbin here and I want to ensure that the bobbin is smooth, no loops, it's not loose, and that is exactly what we want. We have successfully threaded the bobbin of the Brother FB1757T sewing machine. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. Give us video ideas. Hit that super thanks. Check us out on our socials, as well as we have online courses that are here, as well as digital patterns and other merchandise. So thank you for watching this tutorial and happy sewing.